welcome back to our channel. It's Lauren
and Kylie.
Zach's not here today, but we are in Magic Kingdom. Yay! Because it's like our last day off work before we're blocked out of the parks for a few weeks, and we're gonna watch Happily Ever After for the last time. Yay! And guess where our first stop is? Starbucks. Look who it is.
Hi, have a magical day.
Look at his cute new name tag. We got our Starbucks. Cheers. Cheers. Now, I'm making Kylie pick somewhere to eat because I don't want to pick.
So, we're gonna eat in an hour because I'm indecisive.
Okay, we decided on Pecos Bills for lunch. I got the pork nachos and then it comes with like all these sides. I also got guacamole.
And I got the pork rice bowl.
Ooh, ah. Oh, and we also got this like churro thing with chocolate dip, churro bites. So we'll see if those are yummy. So I got sick of eating it nacho style. It's pretty good though. I rate it like 7 out of 10.
I give it like 8.5 out of 10.
Wow. Right now we are doing the math to how many hours this week I will have to myself without working.
49 hours and 75, well, 49 hours and about 45 minutes. That is about 7 hours a day. Wait.
Wrong. I did the math wrong. So the very first time I wear my brand new ears out, they fall off the table and they drop right in the only puddle and they're all like black now. I'm so sad that they don't have any more. This is Kylie's favorite store in all of Magic Kingdom, the pin store. Okay, we just found this pack. It's an 8-pin collection pack. It's limited edition.
Aren't they pretty?
They're so pretty. But guess how much it is?
I like the castle.
Wait. So now we're going on space. It was 15 when we checked the app. It's now 25. And we walked all the way over here.
That's alright.
But it will be fun. Gotta get in the AC for a minute. Also my ears, we cleaned them off a little bit. They're still kind of brown, but oh well. Taking my family on the People Mover with me. Look at those views. Oh, Kylie's also taking her family on the People Mover. The laugh bar doesn't even go on our lap. It's literally like going mid-thigh. I feel like I'm gonna fly out.
Run out your white flag, you smirky scum. Bring me happy tax back.
Lainey.
Your PA.
They saved me with some electrolytes.
Have a magical day.
So Lainey and Mobile ordered some Casey's and told me to pick it up, but for that, I'm gonna eat one. I also forgot to tell you guys, I got this cute little pin. It's the Been There series from Starbucks. So I got the Magic Kingdom one, and then I'll probably get the like, all the ones from all the parks. And I know Disneyland does them too, so maybe one day I'll get those. And then Kylie got the Happily Ever After pin.
So excited.
How fitting that you got it on the last day we ever see it. Enjoy your Casey's.
Thanks, Mom.
Photo shoot time. Okay, Okay, we just finished taking a bunch of photos in front of the castle just for funsies.
It's fun.
And now we're waiting for Michaela. She just got off work. She's gonna come meet us for fireworks.
What's up, guys? This is Zach. Welcome back to the vlog.
Oh, Kylie made me feel bad and told me that I'm just the co-star on my channel and Zach's the main star.
It's not true.
I don't believe her. Look who joined us. We're on our favorite ride.
Woo! Not mine.
Well, mine and Michaela's. This loser doesn't even like it. At the pretty sunset. You can't really see it because now it's farther past down Splash Mountain, but it's so pretty. What?
You're supposed to put your hands.
This is my favorite show in all of Magic Kingdom. I love it. Guys, we almost made it on the screen in laugh floor. Michaela's eyes made it. My ears were on it a few times. Kylie's eyes were on it.
My eyes made it too.
Kylie made it.
My eyes made it like 4 times.
So we're famous now, according to the laugh floor. Okay, now we're going to squeeze our way in front of the castle to watch the fireworks for the very last time before they leave. I made it easy for people to find me if you guys lose me. Just follow the ears. Got a prime viewing spot. Good job to our leader, Kylie.
Thank you.
Hello vlog, I know you missed me today. We're about to watch Happily Ever After for the last time as cast members in the park. Very sad, but Enchantment's coming soon too, so it's time, baby! crying. I don't even know how to describe what she was doing. It's over.
We have a game plan for the rest of the night. Zach here is gonna go get everyone McDonald's and we're all gonna eat our Happy Meals with the Disney toys together tonight. Yay. So we'll do an unboxing later.
Okay, we're opening. I just want to know what toys you got. Why did everyone get Winnie the Pooh? Oh no, what did I get?
It's a little bit sad that we all got the same.
Ah, we all got freaking Winnie the Pooh, man.
Winnie the Pooh though.
You're right, but...
Let's assemble. That's cute. They come with this little backdrop.
Oh, whoa, wait, move it.
Cute.
It goes like night and day.
Wow. Fireworks. And then it says Magic Kingdom on the back.
All right, one down, 49 more Happy Meals to go. Woohoo! Wow.
Aww. I love them. Zach's trying to throw this magnet onto the fridge. You were so far off.
Where did it go? No way, did you make it in your bag? Are you kidding? Why do you always do the craziest things? All right, we're still here doing the game, so.
Ready?
Let's go. Kylie's trying to get the new record. And under the fridge again. It's bedtime.
It's like almost 1 a.m. I think.
Yeah, I'm tired. Sorry you guys didn't see much of me today, but hope you had fun with Lauren. All right, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video, guys.
Peace.
Bye.